Yeah, yeah. Anyone? Let's go. Samantha and ANIMO, that was a good battle. To my God judges, 3, 2, 1. One more time. 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Make some love for Graffiti Crew and ANIMO and SAMANTH to my count. Judge 3, 2, 1. Alright, ANIMO and SAMANTH takes it, guys. Make some love for Graffiti Crew. Next up.